Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Twitch on your Samsung Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have a Samsung Smart TV and want to watch Twitch streamers or gamers play on their TV. How do you actually get Twitch? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to do this is that you're first going to grab your Samsung Smart TV remote, and then you're going to navigate to where it says apps. So it's this button right over here. Now your visuals might look different from mine depending on what model of Samsung Smart TV that you have, but once you're on the App Store, you want to go ahead and use the search bar, which is located on the upper right hand side, and then here you're going to type in the word Twitch. So if we type in the word Twitch here, you'll see that as you start to type, it does start to auto-populate. So here we see the Twitch icon up top. So you're just going to click on Twitch. And then from here, you're simply just going to install this app. And so by using this, you're actually going to be able to navigate the Twitch homepage as if you're on your Mac or computer so that you can watch esports, gaming videos, or live streams. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get Twitch on your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.